Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, stability control, regenerative braking system, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.